My name is Cynthia Weyand, and I own the company Bake at Home Cookies. I sell 4 different types of frozen cookie dough. My target market are families or individuals who want to use fresher ingredients, or maybe they're just looking for a more convenient way to bake. To begin, I started my company with a small amount of personal funds and some supplies from my food storage, like oatmeal, flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. This is giving me a 50 to 70% profit. I make the dough, scoop it into the balls for baking, freeze and package them, and let the consumer enjoy the smell of fresh baked cookies in their homes without all the mess. I do have competition from local stores. Certain fundraisers who also sell cookie dough are another tough competitor, but they charge almost double what I do for the same amount. I provide a fresher product with less preservatives and at a much lower cost. That is hard to beat. Local, fresh products are what people want, even in a cookie.